2011 Audi Q7 3.0 TDI with a hissing sound. Suspecting come from the injectors. The leak off pipe comes off like this. And the connector, pull this guy back. It's him all the way. Remove the fuel supply, 17 mm. They're not very tight. This guy, he's not tight either, special heading on it. Comes out like that. This injector is stuck in here, so I'm working it over and back. Here from this side, just working it over and back. There's a flat spot on the injector. Work it over and back a little bit. A bit of spray down there as well to loosen it up. Hopefully we'll be able to give it a tug up out of here in a minute. This is the puller I made to remove the injector. A little crude, but done the job. Didn't have anything else, so kind of a slide hammer. New washer, new O-ring.